So here at Colwyn, we've just invested in a brand new performance space which allows us to have increased capacity within our existing HYROX classes, and also gives a more modern functional training room for some of our other classes on the group exercise timetable. HYROX is a global fitness race that combines running with functional fitness stations such as sled pushes, sled pulls, wall balls and farmers walks. The vision for the room was obviously to build on the success and the demand of our existing HYROX classes. HYROX classes have been extremely popular both within our standard membership, our junior membership, and also within our family classes as well. The vision was then obviously to meet that demand and to create an environment that allowed people to come in and train with much more open spaces, specialist equipment, and for those who are taking part in HYROX type races, to allow them to train as close as possible to what they will experience within the event. So what makes it different is it's purpose-built for functional movements, functional type classes, and obviously the HYROX classes. So as you will see within the room, the layout is designed so that there are specific zones. So you have a cardio zone, you have a strength-based zone as well. And this makes the layout and the structure of the classes much more easy to follow. As previously mentioned, one of the key strengths of the redesigned room is the layout, making it much more user-friendly. So we have the track, triple track, which allows obviously 3 individuals to be working at the same time, performing functional exercises such as the sled push, the sled pull, and also exercises such as the farmer's walk, holding a dumbbell or kettlebell in each hand for a set distance. As we move towards the back of the room, we have the lifted platforms. Exercises that can take place on these platforms can be incorporated into a HYROX style class, but they can also be used within other functional type group exercise classes that we have on our timetable. Here on this side of the room is very specifically the cardio zone. We have the ski ergs, the Concept 2 row ergs, the assault bikes from Torque just adjacent to the track. We have the Concept 2 bike ergs, and then finally we have the curved treadmill. So a curved treadmill is different to a standard treadmill because it's designed specifically for high intensity type training, which is obviously utilised within HYROX and other functional fitness classes. Redesign of the studio. One of the key factors that we took into account was the proximity to the outside area, because there are outside exercises that will need to be within the workout. One of these is the wall ball. So we've got the wall ball targets on the wall there, 3 of them, and the exercise itself into a squat and then up to the target. Outside on the athletics track, and I'm sure you'll all be really pleased to hear that this will be now, the running will be incorporated into all of the HYROX classes that we deliver. We currently run family HYROX classes, HYROX Young Stars classes and HYROX 365 classes. We will be investigating looking at adding additional programming to our timetable, including looking at embedding beginners HYROX sessions into the timetable. We look forward to welcoming you to one of our HYROX classes at Colwyn soon.